Sometimes you have a program that you want to run a bunch of times, and every single time it requires you to type in some input. If you want to avoid that, you can put that input into a file and redirect the file to standard input. For instance, let's say that we have a short script that just asks for your input. So it'll print out what's your name, it'll take input into a variable, it'll print out you said that, and then it'll print that's a great name. If we run it, then I'll say what's your name? Sam. You said Sam. Sam is a great name. But if I want to run this a bunch of times, then I'll have to type in Sam every time. To avoid this, I could just put Sam into a text file, and then run conversation and funnel the text file into it. To funnel something as standard input, you have to say less than instead of greater than. And what that does is it'll take the contents of name, which in this case is the name Sam, and it'll use that instead of standard input for conversation.py. You'll notice that there's a difference between running it normally and running it here. Here, I typed in Sam, and then Sam showed up here. Whereas here, it doesn't even look at what I wrote here. In other words, it just transparently accepts the text as input instead of displaying it to the console. That means that you won't be able to see anything that was in your input file. It'll just go directly from here to here. It'll still read the input file, so it actually notices that Sam is in the input file. But it didn't ever require me to type it, which meant that it was never displayed to the screen.